In this quick lesson from the MacU.com, we're going to look at how to stop the annoying app rating pop-ups that can appear at random times. Any iOS user has probably seen these. This is what the ratings pop-ups look like on iPhone and iPad. They can be ignored with a simple tap on the Not Now option. But just having them pop up in the middle of using an app can be distracting. They do serve a purpose by providing a quick way to provide a star rating for the app. Once we start rating, there's also the option to write a review, which will be done from within the App Store app. But to avoid these pop-ups from any app in the future, we can go to our Settings app, then App Store, and scroll down to In-App Ratings and Reviews. Just switch this toggle off and that's it. The app rating pop-ups will no longer appear on this device. Ratings and reviews do help developers and the overall quality of the App Store though. So remember, you can still rate and review any app that you've downloaded from its listing in the App Store app. Learn much more about using your iPhone, iPad, and Mac with our full tutorials at themacu.com. Thanks for watching.